I'm gonna give you so that people feel the show.
We have been having some problems within the party, and some other parties, oppositions have wanted to take advantages of what is happening within PDP. And since the past 1 week, we have come around and turned things around. Is it not so? PDP is back. We are back because all other Nigerians are expecting PDP to come and rescue the country. And we have no time to waste so that we don't disappoint other Nigerians.
There was a ukoki samanara di Ekpoma weki no kai 17 naira out there. It's now 350 naira. There was a my petrol station we motor water besawa mione. There was a mione. What job about because I naira here kekpa. Because I said Mariale bigger home. I already staple food in the house. Why by him is that there? One I write a theory that there were 3 phases of the economy in the US. Number 1 phase is that you will have money, but you don't have anything to buy with it. Number 2 is that you will have something to buy, but you will not see any money to use. Number 3, where we are now, is that you have neither money, no anything to buy with it. Is that not where we are? No, find out from me. Is that not where we are?
Yes, sir.
I was there. APC. Yeah, was there. Somebody get ahead me, man. Somebody make the qua. Somebody now Riahuma, if you want to run my tenant. Tiku Abubakar is the only one that can come and redeem this country. Is the only one. This country is the only one that can normalize anything that's.
East and West, not the carry last. Since do not plenty way in the year. So no about the back. First of all, election over dinner is our election as Eastern people. All the elections are Manyan. All the elections are Tiku. All the elections are Odia. All the elections are Honorable. All the elections are Henyen. Elections are man as an Eastern man and woman. They said, every number day, put out. Anybody that is not here with us now, that is associating with us now, is against Eastern people. They said, how can you do it alone? Mamba, I will put to tell, okay, that's what we want. I will remember. Is that possible? No. Are you open that? This is another day. It will show us that Eastern people, we are the most intelligent in this world. We are the most intelligent. And nobody amongst us can derail us. Because you cannot marry. So we have to use our brains. All my politics is a bomber. Or is it of Mopa or Sima? No. We now want Osima Rebe. No, never. Not just for a few. So how we are, Mere, I know for a fact that Eastern West and in fact Eastern Land will know what to do when the time comes. But this one, election on the 25th and on the 11th of March, it will show us, see, everyone was not told whether we really want it or not. Why your side now? Is that one? Is that one that matters? And to get that one, you must align now. While the governor come, and you want something later. How? Is that possible? No. So on the 25th, where we are? On the 25th, everybody will be putting in this rally by 8 a.m. 8 a.m. By saying after the accreditation, they will give you 3 ballot papers. The 3 ballot papers, Oriwa, us the president, Oriwa, us the senator. The 3rd one is for the House of Reps. So I know the ballot paper anywhere. Where for? Where do you get a Kari? Where are you now on a? Okay, where are you? Where is the ink? Where is the Kari? Where are you? Where will not see senator? Where will you go about? The House of Reps. What's your number? So we are not in a level where you get the different bosses. What's the president? What's the senator? What's the House of Reps? Where Ubiaja is? Where Ubiaja is doing this well. That careful. That community is not before. That was PDP 300, APC 2, Labour 0. Because we don't know how to labor in vain. We don't know how to labor in vain. Let's have people, we know how to work and get results. We don't labor in vain. We don't waste our votes. What is that? And we don't waste our time. Then on the 11th of March, I mean, what I do, putting you today, they will give you only 1 ballot paper. That ballot paper is to vote for the House of Assembly. How are you voting now? How are you voting now? Let's have another one that vote to make PDP in this election. First, that they will never be hold on. Second, I heard about the paper. Well, my name will be a paper. One name will be so why you want to go? Because somebody get other illegal, that illegal. So this APC government is the most wicked, the most heartless government in this country since this country was. So I can't imagine any normal person. But let's go with that. These APC people, they get mind. They get mind. As the suffering there for this country reach, person still come out say he won't campaign for APC. Let's say their mind are back today.
1960.
So what we have? That suffering, APC you don't want to go back there. You want to go back there? Atiku is the answer. Atiku has been there before. He knows what to do. He has the economic team in place. Within 3 months, this country will change for the better. So what we have? On the 11th of the 25th now, where you were at the Euro.
We come here today to host our leaders, our party leaders, who come from Edo State, led by our state chairman, Dr. Tony Azigbemi, to come talk to Eastern West people, to mobilize our people from across the 10 wards for Eastern West. May they come vote for our party for this coming election, to vote for PDP all the election, vote for Atiku Abubakar, vote for Senator Odia, vote for Marcus Onobo, and vote for Omozo Jehenye as he affects this our constituency. If you look around now, you go see the show of love and solidarity when our people come out today to welcome our party. And by the grace of God, when the election come, we go tell, say, PDP na Esan na PDP.
Today na special day for Ekpoma. PDP for Ekpoma, they gather because of their rally. And so many of our big men from Benin, they don't come here too. If you see this place now, you can see our people don't prepare for election a long time ago. And you can see they are very happy. So we believe, say, now PDP will win this election, what we want to do on the 25th. And because PDP now party will go change the current bad thing where we see for this country now. So they appeal to everybody. But they know say PDP, you're ready for this work.
At least you see with your eye. You know say PDP get power. Now the party to beat. And the party where they Edo State, that be this one. Now the party where they shake everywhere for Edo State, that be this one. PDP strength big well for Edo State. And by the grace of God, we are winning Edo State.
All of us gather for here today, local government of East and West, comprising of the 10 wards. So from ward 1 to 10, everybody gather for here so now, to solicit your support and prayers. The people of East and West, we dey run for Edo State House of Assembly. I just only want solicit una support. Say make I just go State House of Assembly, make I represent una well. I know they go there to make any promises we are not fit keep. Now all of us want to do this thing together. So.
Today, this rally is too significant. One is for us to arrange a rally of this such nature and give quick notice to all the political tenants in this local government. You see that? They are already evacuating. The second segment of this rally is for all to celebrate the victory that got to May town, February 25th, this particular month, 2023. If you believe that, why not join your hands and say, God is good? Ladies and gentlemen, our state chairman, I respect him. And before I say this word, permit me to remove my capital. State chairman, when he was contesting for this position, he visited our local government. He said one thing. He said, give me the position of a state chairman and I will return you to Osadebe Avenue. State chairman, let me show you back. And that is what women. I give him a remark. I said, right from that hour, you are our political Joshua. You still remember that program. Today, you are welcome to this local government. And this local government is safe. We assure you, we are going to do it took. We don't have political rival here. This is the home because Senator Odia, the senator of this local government, this Esa Senatorial district, it makes us proud. Because Obasaki also led the foundation, we say, we can see governor. Senator Odia is your Kali of the universe. We will deliver this local government.
Esa Central is the home of PDP, and PDP is Esa Central. We want to assure you that by the time people like me came back to PDP, the weight of APC was broken. And it was broken irredeemably. They will never survive it. The last election was a test run. And you know the result we got from Eastern Central. This next election, I want to tell you, is to finish the job we started in 2020. In Eastern Central,
viable political forces are now under the comprehensive umbrella of the People's Democratic Party. In Eastern Central, there is no other party. And on the 25th of February, with the support of all our brothers and sisters that you see here, representing our various communities, with the grace of the Almighty God, we are going to return a result never before seen in this land.
My people of Irrua and Eastern Central, people are here. APC is in the shape. They're not supposed to campaign at all. As they talk, they're playing the ball. They will come back from Benin because of money people don't see. But also, you don't hear that person that money before. Person will get money, that will be agua. The person will buy money, get money for fun. Benin now, they talk money. All banks don't close for Benin by force. That tells you the people when they be. Because the president when they bring nowhere. He don't know what will happen. People will run government for his hand. They have destroyed this country. And again, they say they don't bring us the call. First when they bring government, people are tax. If you start from only 20, before 12 don't go out. That kind of person, now, let me tell you the very important. Article is very close to the Article and I ask the question. It's going to be Governor, we get so many leaders from those states where they are taking friends that if we need anything, we'll get out. This road, I think we'll have a president very good for us. Where our father, our late father, he was very not a lady, you reach that with this road. Says, PDP came to power, let's not come our way. Please, we don't think of Kari and Ubiaja for president. Big man for president. You saw that with 2 votes.
Today is our LGA rally in the Central Local Government area of Edo State. And as you can see, we have our senatorial candidate here, who is already a serving senator. We have our Speaker of Edo State House of Assembly, who is the candidate for Igueben constituency for House of Rep. Sonny Father, I'm the candidate for Edo State House of Assembly, Eastern Central. We are equal to none. We are 100% on ground as far as Eastern Central is concerned.
I speak of one of the youngest speakers. The last couple of days and weeks, we have moved around the world to assess our stance. By the grace of God, we want to let you know that we are good to go. By the grace of God, I say we are good to go. And in the next couple of days after today, we will commence house-to-house campaign. We are going to a contest with APC and the one they call Labour Party. It is time for you to show your report, and we have so many things to show.
Rescue Nigeria! I thank Igueben people for the unity, for the support. I thank the leaders of Esaland, the leaders of Igueben for their unity and support. I take the opportunity to remember our Eastern leader in our party, PDP, the late Chief Anthony Anyanya, of blessed memory. May he rest in peace. He helped us and worked for us. And those of you who are in the leadership of our party know that before he passed on, he handed over the leadership of Esaland to me. Whatever he said then, we accepted and we followed him. Whatever I tell you now, please accept it and follow me. I will not tell you a lie. We are counting down now to the general election, where we shall vote for a new president of Nigeria. I want to inform you that my friend and brother, who I have worked with since 2003, almost 30 years now, Waziri Atiku Abubakar, will win that election. I want you, Esan people, and Igueben people, to be part of that victory. When you are part of that victory, whatever you want in this state, whatever you want in this land,
let us not make a mistake. We shall not vote for APC. APC has destroyed our country. I was one of those who formed APC, but they came here and told you a lie, and they ran away with it. For 7-8 years, they've made us suffer in Nigeria. You want to continue to suffer? You want to continue to suffer? Throw APC away. Throw APC away. There's another party they call Labour Party. Peter Obi is my friend. He worked with me. He worked with Atiku Abubakar. But this is not his time. Peter Obi's time will come, but this is not his time. The time now is for us to have a strong man. A man who knows what he wants to do. A man who has done it before. This is the time for him. Please, I ask you to vote all our candidates from top to bottom. President, Atiku Abubakar. The Senator, Junior Odia. The Member of House of Representatives, Mark Marcos. And our own son, as Member House of Assembly.
The guy your leaders, and our co-women. Igueben is a local government constituency. Let's disappoint. Might disappoint our leaders. We will always come first in anything we do. So that is why we are here today. And I want to quickly sing one song. Igueben will vote for PDP all the way from Atiku, Senate, House of Rep, and House of Assembly.
If I think we'll win the election, who will not be Igueben? Then two, very soon, after this presidential House of Assembly elections, there will be another election next year. No. Naturally, we go take up, say, now our turn. But if we don't give the people strong voice by winning all the seats in this land, he cannot negotiate on your behalf. So this election is a election. We must all put our energy, make the nation, we vote on our candidates.
Over the symbol of our party to the newest member of the PDP in Edo State, who has just found life. But other people, they are very wicked people. Very wicked people. After all this suffering, APC, all I want to pay, we're going to vote to the APC. How? Is it possible?
We don't even get any vote in Igueben. All the fact he don't see light, that is making join us. So we take her wholeheartedly. So I hand over to you the symbol of the party on behalf of all the campaigns. Congratulations.
My dear people of Igueben local government, I thank you all. I can't thank you enough. Right now, Jehovah Jireh, the ancient of days, the I am that I am, will continue to lift all of you up. My dear brothers and sisters, listen to just one word. A debtor to God, can he lead all of you?
We are here to grace the campaign, the local government campaigns for the PDP in Igueben local government. And by the special grace of God, now maybe the candidates for PDP, when PDP takes stand, I be lawyer by profession. For Igueben, PDP now one, and PDP is the only party in Igueben. All the rest na Jara. And PDP now the only party when go fit do better thing for Igueben local government and the entire Eastern land. So my advice to everybody from Eastern land is to vote PDP for all positions. My name now Barrister OJ Ekpoma.
I remain Honorable Ephraim Alosele, the Honorable Member representing Igueben constituency in the State House of Assembly. And coincidentally, I am from Igueben here, and Igueben, and we are here today. PDP local government campaigns. As you can see, all the 10 wards are well represented. PDP is the party that represents, great things in the local government. And as we are here today, you can see the crowd, you can see the different wards that are being represented. This is a party that we all know that is going to win the local government without no doubt. We are on top of the game, and right from the presidential candidate to senatorial candidate, the House of Rep candidate, and the House of Assembly candidate, we are going to record more than 100% for them. I can assure you that we are doing very well here. We have no doubt if we're going to win the election here. Definitely we are.
The owner of PDP in Nigeria. PDP is a native of Esan Southeast. If there is any local government, in Edo and in Nigeria that owns PDP, is Esan Southeast. When you look at your right, when you look at your front, when you look at your back, when you look at your side, it is all PDP. There is no one word that PDP will not win in this next election. We have done all that we need to do to ensure that of all the 160 voting units in this local government, PDP will win all. PDP!
Rescue Nigeria! The campaigns that we have been doing since. This is the LGA rally, comprising of 10 wards. And this is our showcase to the world that Eastern Southeast is PDP. We have been told that the #1 party man in the state is from this local government. What that means is that PDP cannot but vote our way, all our candidates. PDP, as it stands today, is the party to beat in this local government. In 2020, we demonstrated it. We swung from the APC, came to the PDP. In less than 3 months, we used it to win the election. So there is no cause for alarm. every part of this local government is going to be PDP and we're going to win landslide. We are saying that we have done enough. There's evidence to show, to prove that this government, our government, has done well. And on the basis of that, SSRT is going to deliver 100% for the PDP.
I bring you greetings from Atiku Abubakar. I came all the way from Abuja to come and honor my local government because I know the state chairman will be seated, Odia will be here, Ekpoma will be here, Okodua will be here. Look, Esa, Oye, the whole Nigeria have settled for PDP. If you can see well what is happening, if you can see well, if you can hear well, if you can feel well, it is PDP. So there is no party in Nigeria like Labour. Those that call themselves Labour, they will labor in vain. Amen. They will suffer in vain. Amen. You will not give your health to a doctor that does not have experience. Those who say in Milocom, Baba will not well. They say make we give and you will not get eye to see. You want to lead people with eye. It dey happen. So you don't talk too much. Senator Odia is the one I recommend to my local government. Odia, Kari go. I assure you by the grace of God, you will go back to Benin. We in our local governments, we will deliver 100% for PDP. Osaroida, go and tell the governor of our state when you get to Benin, you should go and sleep. If it is east and southeast, it's going to be 100% Atiku, 100% Odia, 100% Igueben, 100% Okodua. Not be so at all. Okay, we shall see on that day.
There's peace in this house. There's unity in this house. So much so that on the 25th of February, we will come out and vote PDP all the way. And so, I have the permission of our leader, our only one and only leader, Senator Ojon Ogbesa, to greet you this evening and to wish all of us well. He is with us, but because of some things, some issues in Benin, he cannot be with us here now. So whoever thinks that he or his twin brother or Giwa Agomerele is not with us, the person should think of something else. They are all with us. Our leader, the governor of the state, sends his greetings. Ogobe to Arere. We will do more than that now because of what a few things he has done in our local government. So, on the 25th, 8 a.m., we will be at the polling unit. We are saying after the accreditation, they will give you 3 ballot papers. 3. One for president, one for senate, and one for House of Representatives. How are you voting tonight, President? Are you PDP? Are you Kara? So all the ballot papers are everywhere. Where the fair ink, where the fair Ige Ekara, ballot paper. Where it was the president, where it was the senate, where it was the House of Representatives. How are you voting tonight? Also senate. Are you saying that for the House of Representatives, Waka vote today, Emmanuel Okodua. Then on the 11th of March, we are saying, and then we are saying, only unit, then Bado Topa Agarewe. How much about the House of Assembly? Why you better than? I'm say. Thank you, this one. If we don't be better, we don't go vote. They are very wicked people. The party that has inflicted so much suffering on us, I get in a mind, they go carry one game, none of us will die. How? All the suffering, what's I say? He go in the war, they buy in the war, he go buy in the war, they fly in the war, and he go digo, and yet, I will come and vote for APC. How? Then to make things worse, I like how they talk about what candidates are for Senate. I'm the councillor here. I see Senate, God forbid, Waka Boloto again. Esa again will come to ground zero. But we vote for as well. It's possible. It can be either Senate President or Deputy Senate President. Let us not waste our vote. Let us not waste our vote. That's what happened with the APC. As for us in the body, digital the rice man. The SR is we are in school. We get sense. We can't labor in vain. That labor people, they will labor in vain in Jesus' name. Not so. So what we have? For our senator, we have to get him back. If he goes back, it will be better for all of us, all this around. All the election over there now is PCC election. PCC, it will never go down. It will never go down. If for whatever reason we cannot return our president, I think we cannot return on their, cannot return the Kodoa, cannot return the economy. Waka love you now in 2024. That's what we are It's very difficult. So, on the election, on your side, I walk home. But it's the number. A car, I will win. Vote this way. Last time, we gave about 13,000 votes. This time, the target is 30,000 votes for Asian side. So, we will now go back and start the real work. The unit canvassers, the unit mobilization of our Kenya. Everything will be done to make sure that we are well and going in that direction. So once again, I want to go and thank you and God bless you.